Good day guys, welcome back. So let's take a look at what to be expecting on GBPJPY. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link in the comment section. So let's start with our trade on GBPJPY. So we clearly can see that we are in an uptrend move. So market is giving us a series of higher high and an higher low. Now if you take a look at this movement here, this is our high. Here is the higher low. This is also our higher high. Here comes the higher low. Now our next movement on GBPJPY definitely should be our also a new higher high. That means we should be expecting a bullish move on GBPJPY. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. Market is at this level, which is a major rejection level here. Market rejected from here. It's also rejected. Now that it has come to retest it, we should also still be expecting a rejection. So our next forecast on GBP/JPY should be a level of 203. We are currently trading at a level of 201, so we should expect it to get to a level of 202, then 203. That is our level we should be expecting on GBP/JPY.